and put a cookie on the ground, okay? So maybe come just a little bit past this tree,
Okay.
and then come a little bit over this way to the shade. Each time that you're coming back, you're getting just a couple feet closer.
Okay. Let's go. Yes, good girl.
Good, good. So let her eat that one, and then you're moving this way. Yeah.
I have to get my treating down. Yes, good girl.
Good, yep.
Let's go.
Nice, nice. That's perfect.
Good girl.
Okay, so try to stay, yeah, there you go. Just try not to make too much distance too quickly, or get too close too quickly, is what I mean. Kind of go to the end of the shade over there. I don't know, can she see the dog from over there, do you think? Yes, she can.
girl, yes.
Yes, she can. Good.
Let's go. Good girl.
Nice.
I feel like she looked and then looked back.
She did. She's doing that every so often.
Yeah.
And that's the kind of the new pattern, yep, that we want to build for her. Okay, and then
Yes, good girl.
perfect. Now kind of come back towards this way, kind of aim for like over here.
Let's go. Yes, good girl.
Perfect.
Let's go. Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Come here. Good girl.
And then
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good girl.
kind of make your way back over to where we practiced before.
Yes, good girl.
Very good job. Okay, let her look here one more time.
If she looks, should I take her back?
No, actually what I'm going to have you do
Yes, good
is
girl.
after you feed her here, go back to where we started.
Okay.
As long as you're up to it and you're not sweating
Come on, come on, come on.
and
good
feeling
girl.
like you're going to pass out.
Let's go, good girl. Come on, Pop.
Like at any time, if you're like, I need a break or she
Yeah,
needs
okay.
a break, like absolutely take it.
Seems good.
Okay, good.
A little bit further. Oh, good girl. Come here, good girl.
Nice, okay.
You may need to break out some more cheese. Yeah, I may need to break out
And you know what? I know you want to jackpot her because she is doing a good job, but I probably would only feed her one piece
just
at
do
a
one.
time.
Okay.
Yeah, because right there, she's looking at it.
Yes, good girl.
It is hot.
It's hot and,
And you
she's
didn't
little.
eat dinner, and she's little. She didn't eat dinner. She's
Yeah.
little. I don't want her to get like throw up cheese belly.
I know. Yes, good girl.
Good. Okay, and then just start to same thing. Just kind of make your way that way a little bit.
Let's go. Yes, good girl. Come on, let's go. I can't tell if she's looking at it.
You know what I want you to do now is kind of get her leash.
Like rein her
in-
closer?
Yeah, so that she's not
Oh, good girl.
good.
Good job. Yes, good girl. Let's go. Ah, good girl.
So if she does start growling like that, then I would make a little bit of space.
Okay,
Go back.
let's go.
Practice your front. If you need to come back behind the blind, you can.
Yeah, maybe we should.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No food for that. She doesn't get any food for that.
Let's go.